Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your feet. Alternate between lifting through your toes and lifting through your heels, pressing down through the balls of your feet. Continue with this movement as you lower your heels, lift and spread through your toes, flexing the tendons through the tops of your feet. And as you lift through your heels, press down through the balls of your feet, spreading your toes. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Begin to extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee, creating more mobility in your joints, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Pause and hold with your right leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, stretching through the top of your right foot, sole and ankle. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Begin to extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, re-energizing through your left foot and ankle. Release and return to center. Moving into dynamic arm raises. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, moving at your own pace, increasing circulation through your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your right leg. Exhale, lower your arms and leg, and repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, reach through your arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue alternating right and left, moving at your own pace, sitting tall, keeping your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Feeling this action awaken your center. Optional to add a leg extension as you continue flowing from right to left, feeling a gentle stretch through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center, moving into seated sun salutations. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lifting up and out of your waist. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating once more. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward, stretching through your back body. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer, and return to center. Moving into a gentle hip opener. With your right hand to your right leg, begin to circle your right leg open for an external hip rotation, waking up your right hip. Continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing, place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright, and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. With your left hand to your left leg, begin to circle your left leg open for an external hip rotation, waking up your left hip. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, creating more mobility through your left hip. Pausing, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer hip. Continue breathing deeply as you lift your torso to upright and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.